Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how Advanced ETL Processor Enterprise can help automate your business. Every business has to work with data. The data comes in various ways. For example, it can be stored in the cloud, FTP servers, arrive as ML, or it can be copied to network share. Here we have very basic example of workflow where we send price list to the customers. So we have object which loops all over emails with an inbox, then clears buffer, generate price list as PDF, and it sends a report back. Here's another example, much more complicated. This example of interacting with ChatGPT. So basically, user asks the questions, then we construct the JSON, we submit data to ChatGPT, and we get response. Another example of automation, CQFTP delete. So we download all the files, and then we delete file by one from the FTP. So we do have a lot of actions. At the moment we have more than 100. You can work with files, directories, SQL server, messages, emails, FTP servers, loops, and so on. We also have SQL scripts which you can run. We have a transformation engine. In fact, we have multiple transformation engines. For example, here we have very basic transformation. So data flows from the left to the right. We have validate objects, which allows us to load all the data for 2002. See, we have green tick. And we have a transformer. And what it is doing is it is deleting unnecessary spaces using delete spaces function. And it also converts first letter to uppercase. Let's run it. So it takes less than a second to process, and we process 22,000 records per second. Here we can see the result. Yeah. Here is a slightly more complex transformation. What we are doing here, we're working with Excel files, and we're creating separate sheet names per year field. Our software works correctly with Excel all the time. You can create new Excel files, or you can update existing files. You can even use templates, and you can run calculations in Excel files. Our software works with sheets, tables, and ranges. And you can also extract data from multiple Excel files in various formats. You can use mask for files, and for sheets and tables and ranges. For very complex transformation of Excel files, we offer a block transformation. Basically, if you have very complex Excel file, like multiple tables per sheet, you can combine them together using various transformation. For example, you can mark data blocks, create custom data blocks, combine them, and run them together. We also have integrated report generator. We do have a number of customers using it to send advanced reports in PDF formats. In terms of automation, we have integrated schedule. We have event monitors. They allow to monitor for certain events like new file arrivals into the folder, email arrivals, messages processing. We also have comprehensive logging. We have version control. so you can easily recover from errors. And we have integrated object library, which you can use to speed up development. All of this data is stored in the repository. We have repository creation wizard, and we have number of objects designed to help work with repository. For example, you can use repository synchronization wizard. You can backup and restore repository. You can also automate it by using specific actions. I think I have explained enough about our software. If you have any questions, please go to our support forum, and we will do our best to help you. And please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.